what's up, guys? David the Gamer. Welcome back to my. Here comes the emoji. Here comes the emoji. Yo, what's up, guys? David the Gamer. Yo, what's up, guys? David the Gamer Season 2. And welcome back to my. Yo, what's up, guys? David the Gamer Season 2. Here comes Crash Bandicoot 3. What? I can't. Yo, what's up, guys? David the Gamer Season 2.
I'm not taking one more step.
Hi, everyone. It's David the Gamer Season 2.
So why don't we all just have a little honey?
I don't eat. That is the.
Now, I'm going to close my eyes and count to 10.
Now you will taste my wrath, insolent man cub.
Yo, what's up, guys? David Yo, what's up, guys? Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my brand new video.
Well, I guess we should be going.
Oh, you playing Minecraft? I like your cut, G.
I just want to be with.
Eat that cookie.
Hey, boy, I think you need more contestants to join the show.
Hello, people. This is David the Gamer, Season 2. Yo, what's up, guys? David the Gamer, Season.
Thomas, you're the sweetest. Of course, big candles are better. For Tom's a jolly good fellow. For Tom's a jolly good fellow. Which jolly
Look, Sonic, it's you.
Yo, what's up, guys? David the Gamer, Season 2.
Who's ready to
Rad.
Yeah, dance.
Yo, Season 2. Already.
Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell on this. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell on this.
So, we haven't already finished that one. The number 2, we already...
Hey, Will!
Special recognition today for some very special first responders.
Emma. Yo, what? Yo, what's up, guys? David the Gamer Season 2.
I'm wet. I'm cold. There's a fish.